Put Coca-Cola on eggshells and you'll never have this problem again. Trust me, you'll be surprised what happens after watching this video and you'll never throw away eggshells again. To begin with, take 5 eggshells and put them in a blender. Yes, eggshells. They are the main ingredient in this powerful homemade solution. After adding the eggshells, pour in 500 milliliters of Coca-Cola. This may seem unusual, but you'll see how effective it is in no time. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is another essential ingredient that increases the power of this mixture when combined with Coca-Cola and eggshells. Finally, we'll add 125 milliliters of dishwashing detergent. Any brand will work, so feel free to use what you already have at home. Tag a friend who needs to try this trick. Blend everything in a blender for about 5 minutes. The eggshells should be finely ground and the mixture will develop a pudding-like consistency. This texture is perfect and guarantees the best results. Yes, if you're going to try this at home now, get a bottle. An empty dishwashing detergent bottle works very well for this. Using a funnel and a sieve, carefully pour the mixture into the bottle. The sieve will ensure that only the finest eggshell particles pass through, leaving a smooth liquid in the bottle. This step is important for flawless application and effective results. Still wondering what this is for? Wait a minute, it's worth the wait. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Let's move on to the magic. Here's a pan that's completely dirty, greasy, and covered in stains. I'll apply our mixture to it and you'll immediately see how it dissolves the grease and removes the dirt. Just apply a little to a sponge, rub gently and see the difference. The pan shines like new. This simple trick is not only economical, but will save you money on expensive products that claim to do the same job. But this mixture isn't just for pans. You can use it to clean bathrooms, taps, metal surfaces, and much more. It is especially excellent for removing stubborn stains and restoring the shine of metal items in your home. The abrasive nature of finely ground eggshells, combined with the cleaning power of Coca-Cola and baking soda, makes this cleaning solution unbeatable. Do you have a similar trick at home? Share it in the comments. Imagine how much you'll save by not buying specialized cleaning products. What's more, it works wonders on your toilet bowl, helping to dissolve dirt and leaving it spotless. It's a complete solution for your home. Don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself. Your pans, toilets, and metal fittings will look brand new. Share this tip with your friends and family and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.